Hello guys, this is Ali Safar.
And Mohammed Melkawi, and today we are going to talk about the Student Union and Health Center.
First of all, Muhammad will talk about the Students' Union, then I will talk about the Health Center. So, let's start by Muhammad.
Student Union at UMKC. It's a whole building from outside.
Now Muhammad will be in the first floor of the Students' Union.
It's the first floor for the Student Union. Here we have a bathroom.
You will see a lot of these lists in Students' Union talking
About the daily activity schedule, we have two theaters. This first one, but you can see the thing now. A second theater. Here we have some place to take a rest.
Now Muhammad is going to the second floor.
Let's go. Now guys, this is second floor. As you see, here you can find restrooms and food machines. And this the computer lab. We have a free restaurant at Student Union. Here is the bookstore. Here you can buy some t-shirt like that. The UMKC bookstore is a local bookstore serving the student, facility and staff of University of Missouri in Kansas City. In the basement you can see some printer if you want to buy or to print some paper. Here we have some billiard tables and two tennis tables. And here we have Xbox. You can play with your friend here. In the second floor, we have some office, like if you want to use your ID card or something like that.
Also, there are some places to take a rest or to study.
Here we have a special room. It's an amazing room. You can study here or you can make some activity with your friend. And here, the student organizations. It's amazing. The third floor have some space to study or to eat like that. But we have a best view here on the roof. You can stand or you can stay outside and enjoy with the best view. This is Student Union at UMKC, and thank you for watching the video.
Thank you, Muhammad. Okay, guys, This is UMKC Health Student Center, which is located on Oak Street, and it's near from the university and Whole Foods. If you want to go to the Health Student Center, you have to go to the first floor of the building, and then you have to use the elevator to go to the second floor.
Notice, you have to set up an appointment before going to the health center by going to UMKC Student Health or by going to their location.
When you reach the second floor, go left and you will see the counseling room on your right side. Unfortunately, we couldn't take pictures inside because we had to take another permission. But we can say that UMKC counseling provides help with common mood, anxiety, behavioral, and other life challenges. Those who attend counseling can, through their work with their counselor, achieve their goals in many areas. You will not get lost when you are there because you will see a lot of signs. Even if you have an appointment, you should wait in the waiting room, but it will not take more than 10 minutes.
If the UMKC Health Center is unable to provide the medical care that you need, or if it was closed, you can find other providers of campus that accept your UMKC student health insurance.
When you go inside, the first thing you see is the workplace, where employees do their work using computers. The Health Student Center has 8 exam rooms, which is the place where the doctor diagnoses your condition, and one of these rooms is for the disabled or handicapped people.
Room. So this is where if you need a blood draw, if you need to get an immunization, if you need to get a shot, if you need to get your TB test, if you need to get your TB test read, all of that stuff is done in this room right here. So this is the patient phlebotomy room.
This is the medicine room, which is kind of like a pharmacy, where they store the vaccines and some medicines. Finally, this is the lab room, where the results or samples are analyzed, such as a blood test and a rapid test. We have to point out of the great work that they did during the COVID pandemic in providing vaccinations and COVID tests, but unfortunately, they stopped doing the COVID test. Okay guys, we are now at the Student Union, and you can see the UMKC Health Student Care from here.
Now, we have reached the end of a presentation.
Thank you for your attention, and we hope that you enjoyed our video.
See you later.
See you. Okay guys, we have reached the end of the presentation. Oh! Okay guys, we are now at the Student Union, and as you see, we can see the UMKC Health Student Care from here.
Now, we have reached the end of the presentation.